ki samla baha pedeng kakarta khatsan hado atpo khandai snem kide kiba kham ngop baha hakajing Pyniap hi ne suicide katkum kajing lap kajing pule menta ka khat phra tarik nai lur araja arphaulai katanat ka district mental health is khase hills klara khe ga sngi yada Pyniap hi hashlong lapan long kajing yakop pen idrama lingkot bala shimenta ki samla pule na ki jaka pule bapher
Now that she's not here, I really miss her, and I hope that she may come back and help me.
I lost my son. He was my only son, and I really loved him. And it's been really hard for me. I'm so sorry. I just feel so useless, and my husband keeps on shouting at me. I just feel everything I do just goes for waste. I just can't concentrate.
Suicide among students have been increasing in India. Therefore, it must be informed among students to have the opportunity to talk freely with their teachers on the issues like the fear relating to their studies, career, and other troublesome things. Second leading cause of death among individuals ranging in age between 15 to 29 years of age. To mark the opening of this program, we would like to start with the short play competition on the theme creative.
What is this? You know I don't like this, but you still cook it. Why are you so useless? You stupid woman.
You don't got to call me useless anymore. All I've ever done my whole life is give my 100%, work so hard for you and my kids. I am leaving you. I just cannot be with you anymore.
Let's see who you. A woman like you can never find a man like me.